Hello and welcome, I'm Dr. Left Hand Thread, and I've been repairing this particular model of Dewalt SDS Rotary hammer for a couple of years now. It's a DCH273. So in this repair course I'm going to go step by step, episode by episode, showing you how to dismantle it, how to troubleshoot, how to find out what's wrong with it, and how to do a lot of the repairs yourself without any particular repair skill or ability, without spending much money at all. So sit back, relax. This is the Dewalt DCH273 repair course. Episode 1. Let's try and establish what's wrong with it before we even open it or before we do anything. The first thing you need to do is put in a battery and pull the switch. That one's going, but it's not hammering. Sometimes they jam up, sometimes they don't do anything. But there is rotation but no vibration, I always call that. The other thing you do need to check from the outside is put in a butt and see if the chuck's okay, because the chuck is another bone of contention in these things. See if it's slotting in alright, see if it's coming out alright. Yep, that's looking pretty good. So the chuck's pretty much okay. So we know there's a hammer problem, we know the chuck's okay. You also need to check the switch to make sure it's staying in place whenever you move around to the modes. There is a little plastic part that can break off in the bottom of these. I mean, they'll not stay into place when you move them. That little clip and the underside of that can break off, so you have to establish that also. Also, it's important to establish if you have any issues with the activation switch. If it's not going at all, it's not likely to be the activation switch is the main problem, and there's no way of checking it from the outside, but in this case there is. You'll see if there's any muscles in the variable speed or anything. And that means you'll have to do a little bit of a switch clean. I'm going to show you how to do that in later episodes. It's not hard to do. You don't have to do anything fancy. This one is actually not too bad as far as the switch goes. I will clean the switch on this one when I do get it eventually open. But that's episode 1. Find out what's wrong with it from the outside. That's your first step. Look forward to episode 2. Join me in that one. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And just stay tuned for more.